Welcome back to the channel. Pink's Garage, Pink here. Hope everybody's doing fine. We're going to take a little trip back in time today. I'm going to do some stuff from when I first moved into this garage about 3 years ago, when I had my 2014 Focus ST, which was what I traded in for the Mustang. Was doing a little exhaust work, so I'm going to put that video together now of the exhaust, how it sounded. It was basically just a straight piped MBRP 3-inch exhaust with a catless downpipe, but I made some modifications to it because I bought it used. It was already straight piped at the time, didn't have a resonator, didn't have a muffler in it, so I made some modifications to it because it was, you know, for a 4-cylinder turbo, it was raspy, it was just loud, annoying. So I wanted to make it sound a little bit better, so I installed some cherry bombs from, you know, what I was used to when I was a teenager. Is we used cherry bombs on our cars a lot. They made a good sound, especially in the old V8s. And so I decided to add that. I put a 12-inch in where the old resonator went, and then where the muffler was, I added a little 8-inch towards the back. And the difference between with the 12-inch was good, but when I added that 8-inch, it really gave it a nice deep tone for a 4-cylinder. I thought it sounded pretty good. It was extremely loud. Thing used to shoot fire all the time because I had meth in it. It was a fun little car, but before I got rid of it, I ended up changing out that exhaust for something a little less loud, a nice low tone. I bought a Gretty exhaust for it, which sounded really good with almost no drone. I could actually hear the stereo inside the car again, which sometimes that's nice to do when you've a long drive or you're driving to work every day. You want to be able to hear the radio, and the stock radio in there wasn't loud enough to be heard that well over that straight piped exhaust. So stay tuned and just watch this video. You'll see a little bit of me welding and doing some work on it, and you can check out my awesome welding skills, or not. And you know, see and listen to the sound of the cold start of the car after I got it put on. And in the video, you'll see how nice and empty this garage was back then. And yes, it's nice to have a lot more stuff now. I have more tools now that I can get to. But I also have a lot more junk now that I need to get rid of. So tomorrow may end up being a junk day too. We'll see about that. Go ahead, listen to the exhaust, watch the video. Please watch the video all the way through. I appreciate it. Mustang with no mufflers on it.
One eternity later.
Just, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're just a guy who owns cars, who likes to work on them, I've been doing it for years, and I'm just trying to learn to make videos and make something that's interesting to people. I know it's a little slow right now because the weather's bad. I'm waiting for the track to open. We've got just over a month before the first test and tune day, which I'm hoping to be out there in sunny weather and running the quarter mile. That'd be a good time. So till then, keep those motors running, and I'll see you later.